Hey traders, Control the Trade here, and this is a follow-up video on Palantir, everyone's favorite stock, ticker PLTR. And the last video that we did was prior to earnings, when we closed below the 20 period moving average. It was a weekend video put out before earnings. Earnings came out. Now, one of the things, if you watched the video that was discussed, was the importance of $30. Notice how we opened up at $30.02. So I thought that was pretty interesting. We gapped down around that important area, but lost footing, lost support, and started selling off and finished below the 50-day period moving average. That is definitely bearish. Next day, we attempted to run up towards 30 again. Let's see what was the high. It was 29.73. Rejected and closed very poorly. The low here being 27.30, and we closed below the low. Again, bearish. Now, also in the last video we talked about support down here at this breakout candle. We kind of found it in this 25 area zone. Spiked down a little bit. A lot of volume. That's one thing to point out here. This is a good sign. Lots of volume today. Like seeing the doji candle close. Even though it wasn't a good day, it was a good close. Because usually, not always, usually this is a sign of a trend change. You could probably see right here is a similar pattern. We came down really hard. Doji candle made a move back up. Doji candle made a move back up. It's not perfect, but it's a good sign, especially when you put volume behind that. That's a good sign that we should have a strong day tomorrow in Palantir. Now, we did see that in the after hours. It hit 27 in the after hours, I believe. Let's take a look. Yep, the high was 27.07. That could also be a good sign. Not to mention that this is a fan favorite stock right now. So the high of this candle right here was 26.31. Opening above that high would be bullish. We want to make another run for 30. So if we start seeing this type of pattern here, we come down here to test this breakout area, and then we start to creep back up. Maybe shoot back up to this zone here in between 30 and 33. And if we can recapture the 50 period moving average, then this chart would suddenly be bullish again. Now we got to give the bear case. Another number that I was watching today that never came in was around approximately 23, I believe, 22.50. So it's an awareness that we still could flush down there if we have a red day tomorrow in the markets. And if there's another sell-off, just be ready for that. So if you missed part 1, there's a link in the description if you wanted to watch that. This is definitely one to keep an eye on, though. I think there's still going to be a lot of attention on this stock. There's a lot of opportunity here for day traders. So I'm going to go ahead and set a few alerts. I recommend you do the same. Hope you enjoyed this quick chart analysis of Palantir. Good luck tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't let the trade control you.